In Igbo land, every village has a heartbeat, and that heartbeat is the rhythm of its people. It is carried in their steps, in their songs, and in the drums that echo across the hills. This is the story of the cultural dance groups of Umuoi, where tradition lives, and stories are told without words. Months before the festival, the dance groups gather. The men's group, known as Nwaukorobia, polish their wooden staffs, rehearse intricate footwork, and practice the Ikorodo steps, which imitate hunting and bravery. The women's group, called Umuada, tie vibrant wrappers, coral beads clinking around their necks and ankles, and practice the Atalog dance, a soft yet mesmerizing movement telling stories of harvest and family. Young boys and girls, learning their first steps, imitate their elders, their laughter blending with the rhythm of the drums. Drums, organ, adu, and flute set the tempo. The entire village feels the energy. Elder Mbaogu explains to the children, every step you dance carries a story. Every clap carries a lesson. Cultural dance is not just performance, it is history, morality, and community woven together. The children nod. They understand that dancing is both art and education. The sun rises, and the village square fills with energy. The Nwaukorobia begin, stomping their feet in sync, their staffs tapping the earth like lightning striking the red soil. The Umuada follow, moving gracefully, their hands narrating tales of love, family, and resilience. Spectators clap, sing, and join in, making the performance a shared experience. The dance groups do not compete, they complement one another, showing that strength and grace, youth and age, all belong together. As the dancers move, you see the hunters of old through the men's leaps and lunges. You see the farmers in the rhythmic stomping and hand gestures. You see the mothers nurturing through gentle, flowing movements of the women's dance. The cultural dance group becomes a living history lesson, teaching respect for ancestors, the land, and community values. A young boy steps forward, attempting the complex steps. He falters, but the elders guide him. The drums adapt to him, the crowd encourages him. The dance is inclusive, bridging generations and keeping the culture alive. As the sun sets, the dancers line up, bowing, palms raised to the elders and the ancestors. The crowd erupts in applause, laughter, drums and flute blend into a harmonious night song. The elders smile, the children learn, and the story of Umuoi's heritage has been passed on once more. And so, in Igbo land, cultural dance is more than steps. It is memory, identity, and unity. Each performance carries the heartbeat of the ancestors and the dreams of the young. Until today, cultural dance groups keep the village alive, teaching lessons that words alone cannot carry. In every clap, every step, and every drumbeat, the Igbo people tell their story. Tales by sunlight, celebrating stories of wisdom and culture.